question how to pick your objects you can do telekinesis with, and you should do telekinesis with. In the end, it's very simple. Either you're doing the first telekinesis method, or you build the connection to the object over a longer period of time. It could be days, weeks, or even years. That's how I started doing telekinesis. Or when I tried to do a telekinesis to a new object, I carry it around with me. I have it close to me. I built this relationship to it. I built this love. I love this object, and the object loves me back. That's how I pick my objects. With the second telekinesis method, the different telekinesis method, you don't need to do that. This telekinesis method is mostly based on your brain, how you can imagine the object moving, and then it does. Many things are still the same. Like you need to breathe, you need to meditate. Those things are the same. So how do you pick the right object to do telekinesis with? It really could be anything. But obviously, it's easier if the object is lighter. If it's a light object, a tissue, paper, anything like that, a pen, anything. And then you can do telekinesis with pretty much whatever you have on you. Let's see if I have something in my pocket. Oh, I've just used paper tissue. It's just paper. I used it earlier. Now I can do. Oh, it's too far. Now I can do telekinesis to it. See, you can do telekinesis with anything. Whatever you have in your pockets, whatever you have in your room, that's what you can do telekinesis with. So don't overthink. Just start learning, start practicing. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here